What's up, YouTube? Got a little head in the building, as my daddy called. Got Bay in the building. She got me the shifter handle for Christmas. That's finna go on this. So, let me flip the camera. So, I'm finna cut it in this area. I ain't worried about these lines because I'm finna freehand most of it anyways. Then, once that's cut, alright, all I have to do then is cut a little bit right in here and right in there to make this small enough to go through this hole. I'm finna cut this right here as well so it'll slide in there. And then, I need to go get the things too so I can screw it in, and then we should be good. We're gonna fade into time lapse of me cutting this.
Yeah, it's cold out here. Like, these are inhumane. I'm just kidding. It's really cold out here, and I'm hungry. We gotta speed this up. But it's good to be back. Merry Christmas. I hope everybody's enjoying themselves this holiday season. Bye, guys. Anyway, while we're waiting for him, I hope everybody's enjoying their Christmas. And I hope Santa brought you everything that was on your list. It's cold out here.
Y'all, it was not that cold.
But I'm being a supportive girlfriend, so I'm gonna stay. Merry Christmas, happy holidays. Y'all be safe. Yeah.
Alright. Took the top off first. And then this is pretty deep, so we should do right. So yeah. Alright, now I'm finna cut. Along these edges. Like that kinda. Get it. Make that small and then let it go right through there.
So does it need to be more in the middle?
Yeah, I'm probably do it in the middle. Yeah, it's gonna be, it'll be better. Yeah, I'm gonna do it in the middle. I just drew that line so that no kind of. You know how to do your eyes. I'm tweaking.
Why don't you put it up there and make a mark and then draw the line?
I can't make a mark with this on there because I can't slide it on there.
I know, I'm saying. Like,
Oh, like this?
It's a little more accurate that way. And then line it, bring it back over top and see if you were to slide it down right there, how would it look?
Perfect. Thank you. Alright, y'all. This is how we cut it. As y'all can see. Straight from the back. Straight right there. And so this, it'll slide right on. Now let's fade into that footage of it fully done, y'all. Hold on, y'all. Let me wipe the camera lens a little bit.
This one?
Uh-huh. It looks straight still.
Yeah.
Alright, you good, you good, you good, you good. You good, you good. That's enough.
My hand slipped.
Oh. What you doing?
Oh.
See, that's what I said.
I was just stuck in the hole. Oh. I got it.
Oh my god.
I did good.
Alright.
I didn't break nothing.
Alright.
Yep.
This one real too big. Okay, this direction. Ah. That hurt. Ouch. Yeah. All right. That look good. Oh. There we go. We'll take it in the house and get the final review on it.
Yeah.
We filming?
Yep.
All right. I got the handle on. Got the grip on. Well, grip, handle, whatever you want. So. That's reverse. Think that's neutral. That's drive. Second. First. So, that's second. Drive. Neutral. Then click back. Reverse. Park. So, that's the shifter, y'all. This is a B&M Prostick. I'll put a picture of what it originally looked like in here. It'll be right there.
Or,
And
well, there.
right here?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna put it right here. And then, so it kind of resembles this one. But, yeah. I told y'all already before, I don't like the ball. I like the pistol grip style. Don't be laughing behind the camera because I said ball. No diddy. But yeah, so that's what we got going on, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed that little short video. Hopefully I helped some of y'all out there if y'all want to convert. I could probably put the, where I got this from. Well, they got it from. I put that. That's good.
Yeah.
Right there. But yeah, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Got more footage on the way. Make sure you turn your post notifications on so you know when we upload a new video. And yeah, just a look at us when we out here, y'all.